For your entire life, you've been taught to fear your darker side. That part of you that feels anger, envy, or fear. The part you've been told to suppress, hide, and push down. Because darkness is dangerous, right? It's evil, untrustworthy. But what if that's a complete lie? What if the very part of you you've been so afraid of is actually where your greatest power is hiding? The famous psychologist Carl Jung called it the shadow self. The philosopher Nietzsche saw it as the hidden energy inside every one of us that drives creativity, courage, and greatness. And yet, most people spend a lifetime running from it. They numb it with distractions, they try to reason it away, or they just label it as wrong. And in doing so, they shrink. They shrink from life, from risk, and from being their most authentic selves. You see, the shadow isn't something to be destroyed. It's something to integrate, something to understand and learn from. When you channel your anger, it transforms into clarity. When you acknowledge your desire, it becomes powerful motivation. When you face your fear, it turns into deep insight. And when you examine your envy, it becomes a guide, showing you what you truly want. Your darkness isn't a curse, it's a map to your own truth. The problem is, integrating your shadow is uncomfortable. It requires brutal honesty. You have to look at the impulses you've been ashamed of, the jealousy, the rage, the selfishness, and instead of pushing them away, you have to say, I see you, I accept you, I won't let you control me, but I will learn from you. This is why most people avoid it. Because the shadow asks the hard questions. Why are you lying to yourself? What are you afraid to admit? Why are you playing small when you could be fierce? And that's terrifying. But here's the truth most people miss. Your shadow doesn't corrupt you. It awakens you. It makes you feel alive. It gives depth to your emotions and meaning to your struggles. Your courage lives in the shadow. Your creativity sleeps there. It's where the raw energy of life is just waiting to be shaped into your purpose. The people who seem the strongest, wisest, and most authentic aren't the ones without a dark side. They are the ones who have stared directly into their own darkness and said, I know you, I am you, and together, we will move forward. So the next time you feel that uncomfortable surge of anger or envy, don't push it away. Look at it, name it, understand it, and let it teach you. Because the darkness you fear isn't your enemy. It's your greatest ally, just waiting to be acknowledged. And when you finally accept it, you'll realize the part of you that you were most afraid of was the very part that could make you unstoppable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.